Oh my God! Hard to start to shame that night. Said that's a lie. Just a boy in a Chevy truck that had a tendency of getting stuck on back roads and I was right there beside him all summer long. And then the time we woke up to find that summer gone. When you think Tim McGraw, I hope you think my favorite song, the one we dance to all night long. The moon like a spotlight on the lake. When you think happiness, I hope you think that little black dress, leaving my head on your chest. And oh, baby, ow. I hope you think of me. Yeah, me. Tears and thanking God that you were here to see me like that. But in a box beneath my bed is a letter that you never read 3 summers back. It's hard not to find it all a little bitter.